Some of the best kept beauty secrets are not in your medicine cabinet. They're actually in your kitchen cupboards. That's what we're told anyways this morning by beauty expert Rochelle Phillips. She's joining us to share a few of her go-to recipes to achieve healthier skin.
Yeah,
good morning. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me. You know, I have questions all the time about skincare and masking and what should I use. And a lot of times I love to recommend homemade recipes that you can usually find these, ingredients right in your kitchen.
Okay.
That you can just throw together and it's safe for any skin type and just help improve your skin.
That's
and
what
take
I'm
a little
so
R&R,
nervous about, is that you'll not do the mixtures right, and then you're going to break out, and you're going to create more of a problem. But you say these are pretty natural ingredients.
Yeah, the ones I have today, are pretty natural.
Okay.
Sometimes you can go a little crazy. If you start to Google stuff, I see things
Stay
that
away
I'm
from
like,
Google.
no. So I've got some really simple ones today
Tried
that
and
are
true,
super
like you really stand by these.
I've been doing for years, and even my kids do too, because my girls got acne and different issues with their skin. And so I do a honey oatmeal mask, which is so simple. All it takes is oatmeal, some egg whites, and of course I buy the egg whites in the carton because it's much easier and less messier.
I like that for ease.
And then some honey, of course. And so it's a half a cup of oatmeal pre-cooked, and then of course let it cool down or stick it in your fridge so that it's not hot when you put it on your face.
But you don't want it warm, but I think that is good to know that you want it.
Yeah, I like it cool, a little cool, because you want to be careful. You don't want to burn your skin if you have sensitive skin. So I like to make sure it's cool. You just keep some made in your fridge and make it with water, not milk, if you want to keep it for longer periods of time. But if you make it with milk, that's fine too, because the lactic acid in milk is good for your skin. It moisturizes your skin too. So then there's 1 tablespoon of honey, and then the egg whites, which I'm just going to kind of cheat and do this real quick. But the reason for the egg whites is because it binds it all together. Otherwise, the oatmeal will just basically fall right off of your face.
That was going to be my next question. Why can't you just use water, or could you add extra milk with it too? Or I mean, I guess would it even bond with milk?
And so the consistency, you really want to make sure, like if I really stir this up and let this sit for a minute, it's really going to absorb. But when you put it on your skin, it can be a little messy. So you might want to put a little towel around your neck and then just kind of lay back and relax. But you want to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. And you also want to make sure you avoid your eye area when you're applying. So just put it on your face and your neck if you want to, and then just relax. And what happens is, let me just explain what these ingredients do. The oatmeal soothes the skin. This oatmeal, honestly, if you have skin that's very sensitive, it really does help to soothe the skin. So that's a great, even to throw in a bathtub with little kids. The honey nourishes and softens the skin, and egg whites are to bind it all together, but egg whites actually help shrink and reduce the size of pores.
Oh, I like that.
Yes. So you can use egg whites alone with just a squirt of lemon just on the large pore area. If you want as a separate mask, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off, and that really helps shrink and reduce.
Do you need a moisturizer or anything afterwards once you rinse it off?
Yeah, once you do. But it's really very natural. It's not so drying. So the next thing I really love, and my girlfriend shared this recipe with me years ago, is a natural body scrub, and it's made with sugar and olive oil. You could also make That's it. Or you can make it with coconut oil if you'd like. And this I keep in my shower to exfoliate your body twice a week, or you can use it for your hands, if you before you wash your hands, because it's so important that you exfoliate your body, the skin on your body, so that when you moisturize, it really helps and penetrates into your skin and moisturizes your skin. So what you do is you just take a cup of sugar.
And this is like the big granulated sugar.
Yeah,
so I use not just like a little sugar.
Yeah, you don't want to use the fine sugar because you're really not going to get that exfoliation from that sugar.
Good to know.
Cane sugar is better. And then a half a cup of olive oil. You can use coconut oil, but it's a little bit harder to mix. And you just mix this up. And the one thing I do want to mention is that I keep this in a sealed Tupperware in my shower because of the sugar. And because if you're prone to bugs or ants,
I can see.
You do not want to leave this open. Yes, exactly.
So you just scrub with this off, rinse it off?
Yeah, you just scrub it so the granules of the sugar gently exfoliate and reveal really beautiful, softer skin. And then, of course, the
real quick, we have just like 20 seconds left.
And then if you want to reduce puffiness underneath your eyes, I use chamomile tea bags. I basically put these in hot water and squeeze them out, and then put them cold in the refrigerator so they get cold, And then once they're cold, you can just put them on your eyes as eye compresses and
for how long?
Reduce. About 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah,
pretty cool. This is very easy. I can get on board with this.
It's so fun too.
Thank you so much. We love when you're here. We look forward to seeing you next week.
Thank you.